And then he felt hers. They were very bushy. And then no one came, but someone came. But Mr. Hasselhoff didn't know. Mr. Whammy came. They were so impressed. They loved him. His fur was so softy. Gotta feel this lamb's fur because this is how lamb's fur
is. And it is soft.
And this is how lamb's fur supposed to be, right?
Yeah.
And then Mr. Hamstylot came. Mr. Hamstylot came, and then its fur kept farting. See it? Yeah. And then Mr. Tweety-Lot came. She was so happy. She loved their food. It was so farty a lot. And then Mrs. Kitty, is this upside down? Does it go like this? No.
Nope.
Because of the Y.
No, you got it. You had it right the first time.
And then Mr. Sleepy-a-Lot came, and then it felt its fur and went. And there you go, Ava. Now another story time. This one's short. I know how to read this book, but not this one. Only one. Read that one was so long.
I guess story time's over, kiddo. Look at you. You're too good. Oh. Oh. You're so pretty. Oh. You. Hey, you. Say bye-bye.